the rhythm is like shave and a haircut. Shave and a haircut, 2 bits. So that can help you find the rhythm if you've lost it. One more time. 7 and go, and shave and a haircut, 2 bits. So if you want to learn it, I highly recommend using a prop that you can lean on because it's airborne and it's hard to do slowly. So until you get the footing right, which foot hits the floor when, use a chair for a prop. And the first thing we do is we go jump out. I'm going to hit my left with my right in the air. So I'm going to go jump, hit, and land on my left. And then I'm going to touch, touch. So that whole first bit is jump, hit, left, right, right. And I'm not putting my weight down on that right foot. Okay, and then hit, left, right. I'll do the whole thing slowly a couple times. 7 and go, and jump, hit, left, right, right, left, right. Again, 7 and go, and jump, hit, left, right, right, hit, left, right. And you can either pick that foot up to do something next, or you can take your left foot, however the dance goes. I'll do it a little faster using my support. 7 and go, and jump, hit, left, right, right, left, right. So depending on how high you can lift yourself, that makes the timing what it is. So you don't want to land too fast. That's just not right. So you want to keep it nice and steady. Keep shaving a haircut in your head. 7 and go, and shave and haircut, 2 bits.